When you first log into Checklist, you will land on the dashboard. Here you will see all the recent job activity. The dashboard will show your upcoming jobs, problem jobs, assignment requests, and invitation requests. Looking at your upcoming jobs, here you can view all accepted and upcoming jobs on your account, regardless of the user assigned to the job. You may also start or finish jobs here. Search by property name to see jobs associated with that property. Click into a job to view additional details such as tasks to be completed, property location, and property instructions. Your completed jobs allow you to view all completed jobs on your account, regardless of the user assigned to that job. You may also start or finish a job right here. You can search by property or assignee name to see jobs associated with a specific property or assignee. Scrolling down to your assignment requests, here you can view all job requests sent by your clients. You may accept or decline from this table. Click into a job to view job and property details, including the checklist tasks to be completed. Search the assignment list by rental name if needed. Your problem jobs are jobs that are not yet assigned, or jobs that were started late, or jobs where incidents have been reported by the assignee. And finally, your invitations. These invitations are sent from your clients who would like you to work with them on Checklist. You may either accept or reject their invitation. Looking for an invite from a specific client? You can search by client name. Thank you again for choosing Checklist.